Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So as you can see, I look crazy. Okay, so we're gonna try this neon purple wig. Now this wig is synthetic and this wig is from Hairsofly. I get most of my synthetic units from Hairsofly. All links will be in the description. Now I suggest that if you want to try color and you're not sure of how it's going to look on you, I suggest you buy a synthetic wig first. This wig comes in multiple colors. I will be showing you guys that at the end. This wig, I think this wig is a 13 by 6. I think it has a long parting space. It goes all the way back, but you could only do a middle part. You can't do a side part because that's where the tracks are. Only a middle part. So that is one bad thing about it. And it sheds a little, quite a few shedding goes on, to be honest. But the purpose of this wig really is just to see if the color will look good on you. The color would complement your skin tone. Okay, I got neon purple, but it has many colors. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let you guys watch. Okay guys, I do want to tell you guys, I am using Tresemme holding spray to secure my lace. I no longer use the Got To Be glue spray because, let's be honest, Got To Be glue gives a really good hold, but it is sticky, it's messy, and it leaves some residue. Okay, with the Tresemme, little to no residue, it gives the same hold, it melts the lace, like, it's just amazing. Okay, so hey you guys, this is the finished look. It's looking so good. Like, I'm giving you purple princess vibes or something. Okay, so this is all the colors the wig comes in. If you guys don't want to do purple, that's why I say this is a perfect wig to try if you're not really comfortable with color. Like, you feel like color doesn't look good on your skin, but then it's like you don't know. So it's like, that's why I say try a synthetic wig first. Okay, just try it out first. pick a color that you really like, and then boom. I honestly wanted to try the pink, but the pink was sold out, girl. So I think I might go back and purchase the pink to see how it would look on me. Yeah, I think this is a really great idea to really like try this out first before you go buy a expensive human hair wig. Okay, so come closer. Yes. So she's giving very much inches. Cute. See how long it is? All the way over there. So it's like you're giving something. Okay, so like I'm surprised this even look good on me, because I'm not gonna lie, I feel like straight hair is not really my thing. Like I like big, you know, hair and stuff like that. And like when it comes to straight hair, I feel like I have a weird head. So yeah, this still looks really good though. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.